Welcome to this DelftStack tutorial video. In today's tutorial, we'll learn how to create a math treasure hunt in Google Forms. A math treasure hunt is an interactive way to engage students using sequential questions. Start by creating a Google form and adding your first math question. As you can see, I've already created a math treasure hunt. It includes a title, a short description, and several questions. You can use multiple choice checkboxes, drop-downs, or any format you prefer. After creating a question, go to Settings and turn on the option called Make This a Quiz. Return to the Questions tab and click on Answer Key. The sign points to make the form feel more interactive. You can also add answer feedback. For incorrect answers, add feedback like try again, and for correct answers, add good job. Click Save. Then click Done. Next, go to the options on the right side and select Add Section. Give each section a title and a short description. I've already created sections for different questions. Let me show you how it looks in preview mode. Students can click next to move through each question. They can also go back if needed. Since this is only a preview, responses cannot be submitted. Click Publish, then save and copy the responder link. Share this link with your intended participants. That's it. You've learned how to create an interactive math treasure hunt using sections. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the next DelftStack tutorial videos.